Good morning, children. Welcome to Lecture 2, Chapter Sets. Today we will discuss about the exercise 1.1 and 1.2. Now, please see this symbol just like E, not proper E, just like E, means belongs to, or you can say member of. If we put a slash there on that symbol, this means doesn't belong to. That means if we cut it, then that means does not belongs to. Now, for example, let A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert this sign or this sign in blank spaces. 5, please see 5 is here in the set, so we write 5 belongs to A. Since 8 is not here, so we write 8 does not belongs to A. We put this sign here. Similarly, other parts you can say. Like this, we can write these signs here. Now, types of sets. Empty set, a set having no element, is called empty set, or we can say it is null set, void set, one and the same thing. It is written as curly bracket or phi. Please see there is no element, therefore this is empty set. Now second is finite set. A set which is empty or consists of a definite number of elements is called finite set. For example, 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 elements, countable elements, so it is finite. Or set of the days of the week, 7 days, again countable, you can count it easily. It is countable, so finite set. Now third is infinite set. Simply means uncountable elements are there. For example, set of natural numbers. Since there is no end of natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on, we don't know the end. Now example, next is 1, 3, 5, 7 up to so on. These dashes are saying there is no end. So these are all infinite set. So children, you better understand now. Next is question number 5. List all the elements of the following sets. Second part, B. This is a set where x such that x is an integer. X lies between -12 and 9/2. Solution. Given -12 is less than x less than 9/2. We solve this. We will get -0.5 less than x less than 4.5, and x belongs to integers. Or you can say x is a member of integer. Here z is the set of all the integers. Now please see, if we draw this real number line, we see on the left hand side of 0, between -1 and 0 there is -0.5, and between 4 and 5 on the right hand side there is 4.5. So between these two we have to give all the integers. So we get 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that will be our answer. Clear? Next is fifth part. E is equal to x such that x is a month of a year not having 31 days. ऐसे months जिसमें 31 days ना हो, So those are February, April, June, September, November. Put a curly bracket here. This will become a set. We can say this is finite set, this is finite set. Clear? Now come to exercise 1.2. Question 1. Which are null set? Null set means no element. Number 1. Set of odd natural number divisible by 2. So children, please think, is there any number which is divisible by 2 but is odd also? No, because every number which is divisible by 2 can never be odd. So we have no element here, so this is yes, it is a null set because we have not got any point here. Okay, so the answer is 5 or simply this curly bracket. Yes, this is null set. Question number 2. Which are finite or infinite? Number 1 part, the set of months of a year. Because there are 12 months, they are countable. So this is finite set. Fourth part, the set of positive integers greater than 100. They are 101, 102 and up to so on. Because there is no end, uncountable elements. So we call them infinite set. So children, this is over. We will meet in next video. Please make proper notes. Thank you students. Have a nice day.